Hey friends, Greg here from George's. So we've had a lot of people asking questions about our new product, our Frank's Original Red Hot Bloody Mary Mix. This is a partnership and collaboration with McCormick Spice Companies. They're Frank's Red Hot hot sauce brand. We collaborated with their team and we developed and launched the first of its kind Frank's Original Red Hot Bloody Mary Mix. Now, people are asking me a lot of questions, so I'm going to answer a couple questions real quick here. The first question is, how hot is it? Is it your hottest product? So before Frank's, the spicy was our hottest Bloody Mary mix. Now the Frank's is the spiciest, hottest of all the Bloody Mary mixes. Not by much though, just a little bit, but it is spicier. And all the meat heads out there, not meatheads, I'm the meathead. The heat heads out there, you're gonna love this. But it is spicy, but it's very well balanced. So something different about this product that's different from our other Bloody Mary mixes, all of our Bloody Mary mixes except for the Frank's are a tomato base. The Frank's is a V8 juice vegetable style base. Okay, so that means it's tomato, fresh tomato, a lot of fresh carrot and fresh celery, and then of course the Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, fresh lemon juice, and of course Frank's Original Red Hot. So it is delicious. Real quick, I'm going to make a Bloody Mary here with the Frank's. We're going to use some Tito's vodka here, and I gotta have one. Can't just mess around here and talk without having a Bloody Mary. So here we go, and look, that's how simple it is. You just add the vodka and the Bloody Mary mix. That's what we do here with George's. We create products that are all ready to go. A little bit of a celery stalk in there. Now, that's delicious. Really well balanced. It's got the heat, but it's not overwhelming. It's so delicious. And that nice little zip from the vinegar and the hit from the aged cayenne peppers is awesome. So also, folks, keep watching. I'm wearing my Chicken Guy shirt today. We're gonna have some food recipe videos that are coming out, because guess what? Frank's is the original buffalo wing. Okay, that's the original sauce that was used at the Anchor Bar back 40 years ago, 50 years ago, maybe more actually. I think it's in the 60s. And we're gonna show you how you use Frank's Original Red Hot Bloody Mary mix in a buffalo wing sauce. So stay tuned. The Chicken Guy who loves chicken, fried chicken, chicken gumbo, chicken wings. Cheers, friends.